Hey everybody, welcome back to the garage. Today I'm going to go over two of the most popular options for wheels for your KX65 when you want to hit the track. So on this side we got the K&J Racing Solutions set, and on this side we got the 73 Moto Parts mag wheels. We're going to go ahead and start with the K&J Solutions wheels over here. They are a spoked wheel, so you use your stock hub and then you lace up some spokes onto the K&J Solutions rim. These are running tubes, so you got to deal with that as well. This set is a 2.15 by 12 for the front and a 2.5 by 12 for the rear. They do come in larger sizes. You can get them in 2.5 for the front and 3.0 for the rear. Supposedly the 2.15 and 2.5 turn in a little bit faster. I can't really tell. I'm not that good of a rider, but they do come in those. Since these are using your stock hubs, you can use stock rotors and sprockets on these. Pretty easy to get. For the 73 Moto Parts wheels, these are a mag wheel. They run tubeless, and they come with their own rotors and sprockets that you got to pick up through either 73 or dealers that deal with the mag wheels. This set is a 2.5 front and a 3.0 rear, and both of these sets have PMT slicks in a medium compound. I run this set on my B-bike mostly because of the tubes. For endurance racing, I just don't want to deal with losing a tube, 4 hours into a race or something like that. It's happened before. So I run the mags, which are tubeless. If you really need to, you could throw some sealant in there and hopefully finish your race. This side, you're pulling the tire off and hopefully you can squeak a tube in there without pinching it. It's going to take way more time as well. So as far as price goes, the K&J Solutions kit runs about $375 before tax and all that. It assumes that you're using your stock hubs and you're going to be doing the trimming and lacing yourself. They do have kits available that are completely built out. Those are significantly more expensive, but that's kind of what those run. The mag wheels from 73 Moto Parts are going to be about $420 and before tax and all that. You don't need to run tubes or anything. It comes with two choices of sprockets and then the rotors front and rear. It also comes with a set of cut rear brake pads because you can't run a full size using the mag wheels, something I forgot to mention earlier. So all of that, $420 over here, $375 with a decent amount of work. So another question I get all the time is how much do each weigh? Supposedly the spoked wheels are a little bit lighter than the mag wheels. I can't really tell just by lifting them up, so we're going to jump over on the scale. I've never done this before, so it's going to be a surprise for you and me. Alright, let's see how much I weigh today. 204.5. Let's grab the spoked wheels here. 231.6. And the mag wheels. 233.8. So in either case, with either of these sets of wheels, there are some modifications you have to do to your swing arm to get them to fit. And let's jump into that real quick. So we've got a stock KX65 swing arm right here. And as you can see, the chain guide right here comes in pretty intrusively into the area where you want to put a fat slick. So we're going to have to cut that off. You can see on my other bikes over here, nice and open, lots of clearance. So I'm just going at this with an angle grinder and an abrasive wheel. Then I came back and I sanded it up nice and smooth. This tab you don't actually need to remove, it's not in the way, but I figured it would look a lot cleaner if I took it off. I went through and smoothed up all my cuts so I wouldn't catch a tire on any of those, and that was pretty much it. It was good to go. After this was done, I actually threw a quick coat of clear coat on so it wouldn't rust. So it's not too bad as far as modifications go, and once you're done with that, you can slap a set of these on your KX65 and you're one step closer to having a really badass Supermoto. Thanks for hanging out with me in the garage, and I'll see you in the next one.